Ishaye kwazwela iLockdown edalwe ubhubhane iCoronavirus kwezamaciko ezweni. Lokhu kuphoqe ukuthi enye imikhakha iqhamuke namanye amasu ukuze ikwazi ukuqhubeka nokusebenza. Umcimbi waminyaka yonke iSouth African National Arts Festival kulindekele ukuthi uqhubeke einkundleni zokuxhumana. Amaciko asebenza ngokuyikhandla ngenhloso yokukhiqiza umsebenzi ozothokozelwa abantu emhlabeni wonke.
Ingoma yombulelo kubaxhasi bakhe abangakhange bamnikele umva nangelixesha linzima kwezenkcubeko. Uvuyiseka ukuchitha ixesha lakhe lininzi elungiselela umnyadala iNational Arts Festival.
Kukhona ukuchwayita kakhulu ngoba umculo wami ngoku not only uzawuhlala kubantu endifikelelekayo kusa kuwo kodwa nabantu that I didn't even think uzawufikelela kuyo ngoba ke xa ube umculo wakho online there's a chance mhlawumbe kungabonakala ngathi umuntu owenza imovie ethile aqomba le ngoma ingaright for isini ethile.
Umnyadala oqhutywa ngolu hlobo uzokutsala abantu abaninzi kuquka abo bangaphesheya kolwandle. uBrendan Peel oqhele ukonwabisa ababukeli ngemilingo uthi kungabikho babukeli kuzoba kwanzima.
With magic, of course, usually when you do something, you usually kind of get a reaction, like you get a whoa moment from the people, you know. But when you're doing it, you know, just in front of your camera, there's no like whoa, there's no like kind of give and take of reactions. You can't feed off the energy as much from the crowd.
Lo mnyadala uzokuqala ngomhla wama-25 kuJuni uphela ngomhla wesi-5 kuJulayi.
But for artists, it's an opportunity, obviously, to generate revenue directly from us. All of the works that are on our curated platform, the festival will pay for, as we always do.
Zingangabikho ii-cameras nabantu, kodwa wena umnyadala uzokuqhuba. Ndingilerato Fekisi, kwiindaba ze-SABC eBhayi.